Hello everyone, and welcome back to our React tutorial series. In this video, we're going to delve deep into JSX syntax, a powerful feature of React that allows us to write HTML-like code within JavaScript. Let's start with the basics. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It's an extension to the JavaScript language syntax that allows us to write HTML-like code directly within our JavaScript files. JSX resembles HTML syntax, making it intuitive for web developers to define the structure and appearance of their React components. Why do we use JSX in React? JSX offers several benefits. Readability. JSX makes our code more readable and easier to understand, especially for developers familiar with HTML. Conciseness. With JSX, we can define complex UI structures in a more concise and natural way compared to using pure JavaScript. Full power of JavaScript. JSX allows us to embed JavaScript expressions and logic directly within our markup, enabling dynamic and data-driven UIs. Let's take a look at an example of JSX code. In this example, we have a functional component named myComponent that returns JSX markup. We have a div element containing an h1 heading and a less than p paragraph. One of the key features of JSX is its ability to embed JavaScript expressions within curly braces. This allows us to dynamically generate content based on data or logic. In this example, we define a variable name and then use it within a JSX expression to dynamically generate a greeting message. That's it for JSX syntax in React. By understanding JSX, you'll be able to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces for your React applications. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more React tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.